SOAP images via Getty Images. Google Drive's search chips designed to making it easier to find files are rolling out to all Workspace users, The Verge has reported. The new feature first arrived in beta late last year, letting you limit results by file type, modification date, location, people involved and other parameters. Google. Using the new feature is pretty easy, luckily. When you execute a normal search, you'll see a list of 6 chips with drop-down menus, location, file type, people, last modified, title only and to-do. Clicking or tapping on one of those will filter your search results by a relevant person in the case of people, or a date today, last 7 days, the last 30 days, etc. Google Drive already offered a way to filter files, but hid that feature behind a sub-menu on the rightmost icon on the search bar, so many users likely weren't aware of its existence. The search chips are thus more of a welcome UI experience improvement than an all-new feature. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.